The term decreolization describes a process in which a Creole language gradually loses its basilectal or creole features and becomes more similar to the acrolect or the standard language from which it is derived. The speakers alter their language in the direction of the acrolect, which is generally associated with prestige and a higher social status. The target of decreolization, however, remains unclear among scholars, but it is thought to be due to social pressure and negative attitudes towards speakers of the Creole language. Decreolization thus creates a continuum ranging from the basilect to the acrolect. In between, there's a spectrum of intermediate varieties, the mesolects. An example is the Creole continuum in Jamaica. It ranges from the basilect Jamaican Creole, which emerged from a pidgin and was initially used by slaves, to Jamaican English as a mesolect decreolized from the basilect to the acrolect English. Moreover, there is a theory that African American English is a decreolized Creole as well, originating from a basilectal slave Creole to become an English mesolect. It was suggested that when African Americans achieved equality under the law, the increased contact with the standard variety of American English and the increased opportunity for social mobility resulted in the loss of some basilectal features of the slave Creole. In some Creoles, the number of lexical borrowings from the standard is said to show the degree of decreolization, as in the French-based Haitian Creole. More often, however, phonological and especially morphosyntactic features are affected by decreolization.